Bam. Oh my god, somebody else is here. Another tire guy's here, dude. Wow. Another tire guy is here. They're cheating on me. Two. You see, I don't see people like this as competitors or anything, because we're all rubber thumpers in the end here. So it's really no big deal to me. That's 43. I'm looking for 31. There it is, right next to him. Alright, well, I guess we're going to be twinning it here. We met a really cool guy. Really cool guy. Very cool. We've met another tire guy, which is very rare. Very rare to see another tire guy out here. So very, very cool. Hopefully we'll hear more from him. Let's just see here. We're gonna go on to the next call because we gotta go down to Maryland now. So, like I said, I mean, meeting another tire guy out here, I don't see them as competition. We're all pretty much the same deal. We all wake up in the morning. We all gotta do the same thing every single day. It's kind of like a brotherhood in a way. It's just it's a good community being in the tire industry. It's a pretty good community. If you ever have any questions or anything, like the people on Facebook, and you know, I was into concrete, into welding. And the tire community has been the friendliest and the most open-minded community. So it's a good trade, and the people in the trade are really, really good people, down-to-earth people, I would say. We're all working-class, blue-collar people, so I don't see the need to create even more problems in life. There's already enough problems in life. So we're gonna go help another trucker with his problem. We're gonna go drive to Maryland from our state, which is unknown, and see you guys. See you guys there. We're gonna begin the music, begin driving. Here he is. I think our driver is right here. In fact, this might even be him. That might be him right there. What is this? Pepsi? Wow, we're at Pepsi. So this is Pepsi. They got Gatorade, Mountain Dew. Wow, man. So there's a bunch of different trucks here. Wow, man. 116. So, in fact, I think it's her. For sure, it will be her. Let me see here. Maybe I can go. Let me see here. Would she be it? Yeah, this gotta be it. This ain't it. This is not it. Nope. probably be that one all the way over there. One here actually is a truck. 6, yep. There we are. Let's get the lights going. Alright. Alright. Let's pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. It's on the left front inside. Oh. Oh. And we got a driver here, which I do not know if he's going to be cool with us recording. So before we go out there, we'll see you out there.
Yeah, it's low. You can tell, like, you go like that. See, like, there's no movement. And that thing, it just wiggles and dances. That's like a sure sign that that bad boy is low. Without, like, having to pull out air gauge. Yeah. Alright, I'll let you know. You can just chill, do whatever, stay cool.
So we're gonna go back to our state and, well, suppose we will wait for another call. We are on call today. So we'll see you guys on the next call here. Probably gonna be pretty soon, so. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching, if this is the last one. Thank you guys for watching. And everybody stay safe out there, drive safe, and we will see you on the next one.